Today, we will talk about the sound that the letters P and H make when you put them together. Different letters make different sounds when put together. The letters P and H make the F sound when you put them together. In words like phone, the P and H make the F sound. Phone, phone. In words like photo, they also make the F sound. Photo, photo. In the word phrase, the P and H also make the F sound. Phrase, phrase. In words like phony, the P and H also use the F sound. Phony, phony. The word pharmacy also uses the F sound by using P and H. Pharmacy. In the word pharaohs, the P and H make that F sound. Pharaohs, pharaohs. In the word photographer, P and H make that F sound again. Photographer, photographer. Again, the letters P and H make the F sound in words like phone, photo, phrase, phony, phase, pharmacy, physics, phantom, pharaohs, and photographer.